What do you see, Madeline? Oh, do you see Mommy coming down the stairs? There's Mommy.
And here's Mr. Who's It.
Here's Mr. Who's It.
I brought down some toys. Here's the piano. Here's Comfort Frog. It's important to have comforting things in corners, huh? And one of the elephant rattles that you have. Oh, there's your